Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 4 and what's inside of it. To access this notebook's internals, you need to undo 7 captive Phillips head screws. Then, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Our configuration features a 57 Wh battery pack. It lasts for nearly 10 hours of web browsing, or about 8 hours of video playback. To remove it, undo the 5 Phillips head screws that hold the battery in place, and unplug the connector. There are 8 GB of DDR4 RAM soldered to the motherboard. To access the single SODIMM slot, you need to remove a metal bracket. As for the storage, you get two M.2 PCIe X4 slots, one of which supports Gen 4 SSDs. It's good to see that the cooling comprises 2 heat pipes, a pretty large fan, and a metal heat spreader placed right over the VRMs. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.